Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Forza Horizon 6 and the game keeps crashing on Steam, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 crashing on Steam easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up the Xbox app on your computer. It does not matter if you have the game on Xbox or not. And now what you're going to do is you're going to click onto your username, you're going to go into support, click onto gaming service repair tool, and then click start repairing. And now it will diagnose your issue and it will try to fix it on its own. After that, you're going to click close here. You're going to close the Xbox app. Now you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to go ahead and update your graphic cards drivers. I'm going to show you NVIDIA first and then I'll show you AMD and Intel. You're going to click onto drivers here. You're going to fill in this manual driver search form, select your graphic card series and then model, your operating system. After that, click find here and now it will look for the correct GeForce Game Ready driver for your computer. Once it's done finding the drivers for you, you're going to install the GeForce Game Ready drivers. Now on to AMD, go on to AMD.com, click resources and support, drivers. You're going to scroll down, click graphics, Radeon RX, select your graphic card series and then model, click submit, click your operating system, and now you're going to download the latest AMD Adrenalin drivers. And now on to Intel, go on to intel.com, click on to support here, download center then. You're going to click on to graphics here, and now you're going to search for your graphics card here, Intel Arc B580 for example, and you're going to download the latest Intel Arc drivers on your computer and you're going to install them. After you're done installing the drivers, you're going to open up your start menu, right here graphic settings, and now click on add desktop app. Now you're going to go to your Forza Horizon 6 games folder. The default location should be in your C drive. Prompt file is 6, Steam, Steam apps, common, Forza Horizon 6, and then the Forza Horizon 6 exe here. You're going to click on to add here, and now you're going to find the Forza Horizon 6 exe in this list. Once you find the Forza Horizon 6 exe here, and then click GPU preference and set it to high performance. After that, click close on here, and now you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, you're going to open up your game's platform, which is Steam. Right click on Forza Horizon 6, Properties, Install Files, click on to verify integrity of game files here. And once you do that, it will verify your game's files. After it's done with that, now you can go ahead and play Forza Horizon 6 and you will see that you will not get those crashes anymore. So there it is guys, that's how it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.